Have you ever felt that all your sprint and all your release are going well until the last day? और लास्ट डे पे आपको पता चलता है कि यार स्प्रिंट में कोई काम ही नहीं हुआ है, कुछ प्रोग्रेस ही नहीं हुई है। तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट as a tech founder, as a PM or a product owner, because in this video we are going to discuss about the two KPIs, two important KPIs wherein we can track the progress for your sprint and for your release. So let's go ahead and discuss about that. यदि आप मेरा वीडियो पहली बार देख रहे हो तो सबसे पहले जय श्री श्याम एंड मेरा नाम अमित विजयवर्गीय है. आई एम IT प्रोफेशनल फ्रॉम लास्ट 15 years. आई एम हेल्पिंग टेक फाउंडर्स टू release you can say that deliver the customer centric product. Okay, so let's go ahead and discuss about today's topic, that is tracking progress. So tracking progress, there are multiple ways to do that progress. You can say that track the progress, but the more importantly we track the progress with our Burndown chart and Burnup chart. Okay, we are going to discuss about one by one, but I'm going to discuss about sprint and the release, because this is very important in term of sprint and in term of release. Okay, so let's discuss about first is burn down. The first is burn down. Burn down chart is something like wherein you progress that how much time is remaining and how much work is remaining. You can say that, let's suppose you have 10 days sprint. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, you have a 10 days sprint and you says, okay, we are going to deliver 20 20 story points, and day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, and you can say that, okay, यहाँ पर भी डाल दो, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, this is something like, you can say that. Now you can say 5, 10 or 15. Okay, this is your user story points and this is your days. Okay, now let's see, when you are starting your sprint. Okay, then what would be the scenario at the time of starting your sprint? The remaining story point would be 20 at the day 1. Okay, that is how you have to see your burn down chart. Okay, now let's talk about, let's suppose you complete your first day, you have second day you have remaining the 18 points. Now third day you have the 15 points remaining. Fourth day you have something like 14 points remaining. Fifth day you have something like kind of 12 points remaining. Sixth day you have the 10 points remaining. Seventh day you have the some kind of 8 points remaining. Eighth day you have some kind of 6 points remaining. Okay, that is how you have to track and that is how you have to do all these things. Okay, so let's suppose if you are drawing a graph, then this will be your burn down chart. Means the more you will progress in your sprint, the more your story points will be getting the completed. So it is something like you can track, okay, we are on day 3 and then we have completed the 15 story point, 5 story points, the 15 story points is still remaining. So that is how you have to you can say that you have to track your progress for burn down chart. Okay, now let's discuss about the in case of is release. Okay, in the release you can say that, okay, this is sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3, sprint 4, sprint. That is how you have to track and that is how you have to put your user story points, or you can say that user story points you can put that, and that is how you have to see that, okay, by sprint 1 we have completed this much story points, by sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3 and sprint 4. that is how you have to track in your burn down chart. So I hope ये clear हुआ होगा. यदि आपको क्लियर नहीं हुआ है, यदि कोई भी क्वेश्चन है तो आप कमेंट में डाल सकते हो. ओके, नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट बर्न अप चार्ट. सी, burn down and burn, if you track any of one, that is also fine, but burn down is something like how much work is remaining, and burn up is how much work your team or how much work has been completed in your sprint. So let's suppose you have the same, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now you have the story points, okay, and 0 5 10 15 and 20. Okay, so how your burnup chart will be shown? Okay, day 1 we have completed 1 story, day 2 we have completed the 3, day 3 we have completed the 6, day 7 we have completed the 8, day 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, day 6 we have completed approximately 14, day 7 we have completed the 16, day 8 we have completed the 17, day 9 we have completed the 19, and day 10 we have completed the 20. So that is how your chart will be like this. Okay, so have you seen that your burnout chart starts from up and goes down, and your burnup chart goes from below to up. So this is something like, this is all your burnup chart. Okay, so that is how you have to track your progress in burnout and burndown and burnup chart. Okay, so same for release as well. Okay, in the release you will have the sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3, sprint 4 and the story points as well. So that is how you have to track your sprint progress, release progress. If you have any question, please put in the comment. यदि वीडियो में कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया हो तो आप अपने कमेंट्स डाल सकते हो, ताकि मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो बनाऊं और आपको एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश करूं. यदि वीडियो में आपको समझ में आया है कि हाँ यार ये चीज़ अच्छी है, समझ में आया है, तो आप कमेंट डाल सकते हो, आपके नोट्स डाल सकते हो, ताकि आपको ये कोई और लोग भी आपके नोट्स देखें तो डेफिनेटली दे विल गेट द बेनिफिट. यदि वीडियो आपको कोई भी लर्निंग दे रहा हो, कोई भी समझ में आया हो, तो प्लीज़ लाइक द वीडियो एंड शेयर विद अदर पीपल सो दे कैन ऑल्सो लर्न फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो. एंड यदि आप भी एक टेक फाउंडर हो और आपको लगता है कि नहीं यार मुझे वाकई में मेरी टीम को एजाइल प्रोसेस को सही करने में मेरे को हेल्प चाहिए, या लगता है कि नहीं मेरे प्रोडक्ट को अच्छे से डिलीवर करना है, मेरी प्रोडक्ट की डिलीवरीज अच्छी करनी है, वी वांट टू डिलीवर द कस्टमर सेंट्रिक प्रोडक्ट, यू कैन डेफिनेटली बुक ए वन clarity call, or you can say the one strategic session wherein we will discuss about your product, about your strategy, what we can improve, how we can help you and all that. So I hope this video makes you lot of things, a lot of learning. यदि आपको भी वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो कमेंट ज़रूर कर देना, ताकि मुझे भी अच्छा लगे और मैं और आपके लिए इंस्पायर हूँ और अच्छे से अच्छे वीडियो बनाऊँ. थैंक यू एंड सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.